Hi guys, today I'll tell you how to make a mask for stop hair fall. To prepare the mask you'll need 1 medium onion and a teaspoon of natural honey. Grate the onion on a small grater. Combine onion and honey and mix well. Rub the finished product into the hair roots. Wear a shower cap. Leave the mask on for 40 minutes. After the time, wash your hair with warm water. Perform such a procedure once a week for 2 months, and your strands will become stronger and thicker.